Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning to my fellow friends and our lecturer, Madam Nik Nushafika binti Mustafa. My name is Nik Afika binti Nik Samsuri and this is my partner.
Mr. Sina binti Darul Anwar.
We are from JBA 1144D. For this week without wall, our topic is factor which influence stock market performance. Okay, hi guys. Like I said in the early of our video, our topic is factors that influence stock market performance. Okay, many different factors affect the performance of the stock market. This include the economic and political environment in the country, interest rate movement, liquidity, level of money supply in economic, central bank monetary policy, exchange rate movement, economic political development in the international environment, and international capital flow. Okay guys, let's go through the factors which influence the stock market performance. Okay, first, number one, for the first is economic performance. The economic performance of a country is the most important factor which determines the performance of the stock market. Many macro and microeconomic factors interrelate to exert their influence on the performance and profitability of the company. Okay, which is that will in turn affect their stock price in the market. For an assessment of the macroeconomic environment would take into considerations the growth rate of the company, the rate of growth of specific factors of industry also. The figure for trade and industry, the balance of payment position, the tax structure, the saving, consumption and investment pattern, also the inflation factor. That was the first factor which influenced stock market performance, that is economic performance. Okay, number two, the interest rate movement. Interest rate movement have an influence on the performance of the stock market. In generally, its rising interest rate have an adverse effect on the stock prices. Higher interest rate affect the stock market by making alternative in investment opportunity that will more attract to investor. Which is the higher interest rate also reduce the ability of companies to borrow fund to finance their business project. This effect the companies will earning potential and the market price of companies share. Okay guys, number three, the level of money supply. Okay, the level of money supply, or it's called as liquidity in a company. So, which is a function of a number of factors, include the level interest, capital flows, and the central bank's monetary policy. Okay, affect the amount of fund that is available for investment in the stock market. Okay, exchange rate movement also will affect the pricing of a company, either the product or its profit margin itself.
The political environment in a country also has an effect on stock market, on the performance of the stock market, which is if we have stable political environment, there will be an increase in the share price. The change in the leadership also affect the stock market performance. Sama. For an example, Gates Global got the big green Marubozu in their stock market, which means their performance is in upward trend. This is because due to the involvement of Dr. Mahathir's son in the stock market. second factor of which influence the stock market performance is international environment. The performance of bursa is also influenced by major economic or political events. The fifth factor of which influence the stock market performance, which is international environment. The performance of the Bursa Malaysia market is also influenced by major economic or political events which take place in the international environment. The economic environment of superpower nation, the global interest rate trend, exchange rate fluctuation in the foreign exchange market, and the flow of international fund are some external factors which influence the market of the local bourse. Entry of institutional investor. The entry of institutional investor also contribute to the growth of the bursa. Many institutional investors such as EPF and also unit trust funds and financial institutions have entered the stock market as the major players. These institutional investors are expected to be strong players in the market, especially among the trusted stock, blue chip counters, and bigger capitalized companies. Really, there are many more factors which influence the stock market performance. Not only those 6 factors, they are only the factors that we talk about. So the other factors such as return earning and oil price also influence the stock market performance. Thank you for your time.